Manufacturing in America is growing. Capability in America is growing. Materials in America are expanding every day. And you want the whole potential possibilities laid out open before you, and you pick what is best for your product. Most manufacturing companies are focused on one thing: charge you for what's on the print. But Ash Industries goes the extra step. We want to help you optimize what's possible. With 5 manufacturing groups at Ash Industries, we have a lot of options before us. We make a lot of products in metal. We make a lot of products in aluminum, thermoplastic, silicone, rotational molded products in several different processes, which means that your metal product might be ideally suited to thermoplastic. Your thermoplastic product may be ideally suited to metal injection molding. And something that you do not think is possible or is so costly may be ideally suited to rotational molding. The new equipment has been added all over Ash Industries. This machine in particular is a large 600-ton machine. The beauty of it is that we have the option of shooting up to 250 square inches of thermoplastic in one shot. 10 pounds of material to make whatever it is that you feel is ideally suited to your product line. This 3A3500 is the workhorse around which this manufacturing cell was built. At Ash Industries, we take pride in the fact that we vertically integrate our processes. We can take raw pellets and pulverize them and treat them just right so that when they make your rotational molded part, the rotational molded part is perfect and consistent. So whether it be an additive for UV protection, whether it be an additive so that foaming is easier, or whether it be an additive in order to make it impervious to water, we can do it here at Ash Industries. We study materials every day. We look at the new developments in manufacturing processes. We understand what is on the cutting edge, and so what was not possible before may be opening up today to make your product the next reality. A short while ago, I was at a trade show, and we were looking for solutions to make your parts happen quicker. As F5 Makino is a part of that solution. Because machines like this, like the F5 Makino, make it possible to cut this mold in half the time and bring your parts to market quicker and less expensively. In no market, under any conditions, can we afford to stand still in the same spot. Ash Industries understands that, and for 30 years we've invested in new materials, new facilities, new manufacturing capability, but more importantly, the right people. Sit down and let's chat about those parts that you're making millions of today and would like to combine 3 parts into one. Thank you for your time. I wish you the greatest of success.